Okay, new stream.
Okay, can you stream?
New stream.
New stream.
I call it the boring stream.
I can't get the boring stream.
I call it the boring stream.
I call it the boring stream.
To tone down expectations.
To tone down expectations.
The idea is to automate everything.
Ideas to automate everything.
And training the speech recognition.
Training with speech recognition.
It's very picky.
It's very pretty.
It's very picky.
It's very picky.
So basically I am training myself.
So basically I am training myself.
To talk very precisely.
Turn on talk very precisely.
See all these tiny mistakes.
See all these tiny mistakes.
Also some jazz music.
Also some jazz music.
And I'll check on my phone to see if...
Checking my phone to see if...
Can you see that? No. It says I'm live on Twitch, but I can't watch on the phone. Uh-huh. Okay, I think I see my stream. $1080p.
1080p.
Let's check the sound on the phone.
Let's stick the sound on the phone.
Okay.
Okay.
There are some nasty noises, I see that. I'm sorry.
Play some nasty noises, I see that, I'm sorry.
Okay, if I don't touch the table.
If I don't touch the table.
If I don't touch the table, we might be good.
I don't touch the table, we might be good.
Hard to do, though.
How to do, though?
Oh, it's repeating one song.
Repeating one song.
That's not what I wanted.
That's not what I wanted.
Okay, the stream might be slow.
Okay, the stream might be slow.
In terms of action.
In terms of action.
That's why it's called boring.
That's why it's called boring.
Basically, it's me coding my stuff.
Basically, it's me calling me.
Coding my stuff.
Calling my stuff.
Coding. Okay, automation.
Okay, confirmation.
Automation. We should list processes.
Restart list processes.
List processes.
List processes.
Almost. Process list.
Almost.
Process list.
Process list.
There it is. Here's a Java module.
Music shuffle.
Java module.
Java module.
Which lists all the processes.
Which lists all the processes.
So I want to ask something like...
So I want to ask something like...
Is VLC running?
VLC running.
How do we do this?
How do we do this?
Here's an example.
Here is an example.
Let's put the current goal on screen.
Let's put the current.
Text area. And another bug.
Another bug.
This is nice music though.
This nice music.
It's the human in me. Never had a room more than a year at a time. Leaving statues behind. Knowing where to buy the cheapest food.
Everything that can go wrong will go wrong.
To be called continental, so I could say I slept on favorite continents. Antarctica, you better know I'm coming for you. Too sweet. It's the gangster in me.
Does this take my bandwidth?
Does this take my bank account?
Oh. Hopefully not. Let's compile that again.
Let's compile that again.
Let's compile that again.
Let's component that again.
How's my volume?
Learning rules and etiquettes.
What's my volume?
Different methods to drive. Another phase
Let's compile that again.
of romance. Another way to escape.
Let's compile that again.
100 miles further to infinity. Today it's Massapequa, tomorrow New Orleans. Maybe just this once the world could settle down.
Oh, it's the old style module.
But that would be too easy.
Oh, it's the old star model.
Now new style module.
No new style mojo.
Let's try it out. Ah, menu is back. Now we can.
How many respect?
Yes. That's another good song.
That's another good song.
This is not always on top.
This is not always on top.
Let's investigate.
Investigate.
Have some cracks in the cap.
Have some cracks in the cab.
This does not seem to work.
This does not seem to work.
Weird. Pop back in. Okay, that works. Current goal. Automate desktop stuff. It would be nice to rename this module. I mean, who wants to read text
It would
area?
be nice to rename this module. Tell me who wants to read text area.
Okay, let's do something else first. Let's
Something else first.
open Twitch chat.
Open Twitch chat.
I think. Oh. It used to say chat up here.
just to say chat up here.
Now it says creator dashboard.
No, it says create a dashboard.
What is cooler?
What is cooler?
A chat? Or a creator dashboard?
Auto Trader dashboard.
Keyword.
Keyword.
Okay, here we can automate things.
Okay, here we can automate things.
The table should be layouted.
Table shopping.
Let's oh, that's funny. It's a batch file. A bash file?
The batch file.
It's a bash and a batch file. And it calls
What's the best
jeval. Yeah, it calls jeval, which evaluates Java code.
Which evaluates char code.
So, I'm going from Java here to the operating system, to a bash file, back to Java.
System file. Spectre trailer.
Why can I not turn off the recognition? No, I did. The usual mode I have is listen on noise, which is pretty cool. When you keep talking, it keeps listening, and when you make a loud noise, it starts listening. And after 60 seconds, it stops.
And when you make a loud noise, it starts listening.
But why does it? What?
And after 60 seconds, it stops.
Why can't I not turn it off anymore? Okay, now it's off. And this is off. What the heck was that? Look at the nice Java functions I have. Open Twitch chat in Chrome. Defaults to my channel. But the function takes any username. I want to make this always on top. How do I do this? WM control. WM control. Let's put it in here. Control. Creator dashboard. And this makes it always on top. This could be a new function, right? Linux, put window on always on top. Containing text, yeah. Text substring of the title. You reference Windows by title, just some search string. Backtick. Search term. Search term. And let's try it. Always on top. Always on top.
Always on top.
And let's add it to the other function. Open Twitch chat. But we might want to wait a little moment here. This opens the browser. Whatever, we sleep 5 seconds and we do this. Let's try it out again. Oh no. Cool. Subgoal solved. Almost. It should be wired in here with the keywords. These are the actual voice commands, keyword to code. I mean, I could call it voice commands. That's a good idea. Let's rename this. Let's rename this. What did it do? Okay. Voice commands. Let's put the old name in the brackets. Formerly keyword to code. Okay, open Twitch chat. Sorry. Open Twitch chat. Yeah, these fields are reversed. The keyword should come first, definitely. Let's do something like this. Field order. Check that out. Good. Open Twitch chat, and the code is Stefan open Twitch chat. Bada boom. Exciting. Open Twitch chat.
Open Twitch chat.
Now we have 2 Twitch chats. Let's make it a little less high. Open Twitch chat. Yeah, almost. Open Twitch chat.
Open Twitch chat.
Almost. Open Twitch chat.
Open Twitch chat.
Perfect.
Perfect.
How many computers?
How many computers? 8.
It's yeah. Look at all the commands we have here. Computer. Oh. Computer. I want to write a program.
I want to write a program.
Oh. That's cool.
That's cool.
Module. Can we rename a module?
Tell me model.
Let's see. No. Set module name.
Set model name.
I want to find this module.
I want to find this model.
By name.
My name.
Okay, we should have a new way of enabling voice control and disabling.
Okay, we should have a new way of enabling voice control on this evening.
Because right now it's slightly annoying. Crazy music too. Bit too crazy for me. Yeah, back to jazz. Okay, voice status. Voice status. One-stop control for speech.
One stop.
Yes, see. speech recognition on mode. Yeah, a simple thing first. The states I want are on, off, and listen on noise. Right. Radio buttons. Okay, that's how radio buttons work. I see. Off. Noise listening. Listen on after noise. There are like two kinds of statuses. One is what the user wants, whether the user wants the system to listen, and the other is whether the system is currently listening. And then there might be a countdown of how long it will keep listening. Yeah, these are the things. Countdown. Nah, countdown is bullshit. Until. That's a cool song, I like it. It's really cool. Free time. User selected modes. Selected mode. And this one is persisted. You want to remember that. We have a new goal, right? These radio buttons should also be automated. I always want to automate stuff. Mode, set fields. Yeah, why don't we try this? Wait. This is also a good song. Truly is. You are someone I know, right? No? I don't know. Cool, let's go. That's good. Oh, here. That's the new voice control module. Let's try reloading, and it remembers the state. That's good. I guess we should reorder, right? Off does nothing, always listening is the max. Listen on noise is medium. I can talk, right? It's a Java program. It's a simpler way of coding in Java. It's not really a complete OS. I make modules that are like this, just a few lines, and Java OS is the whole framework that gives me windows and taskbars and persistence and whatever. So this is a super productive way of coding in Java, that's the idea. It's extended Java too. Yeah, reorder, exactly. Listen always. This is micromanagement all the time or always. Like I can spend 10 minutes now and think about how to phrase it. What's it called? LXD? LX panel, LXD. Yeah, I guess. Okay. Yeah, NTFS has symlinks? I don't know, I forgot. The computer came with Windows. I used Windows for 1 day and then I switched to Linux. My standard OS, so. Okay, I want to shorten this. These are 6 lines of code. That's too much. No, it's 5 lines. That's I don't know. Maybe I don't care right now. Let's make it functional. This window is not functional anymore. Yet, not functional yet. Off listen and noise, listen all the time. Okay, if there's a mode change, we do something appropriate. Mode off. We turn off the recognizer and we turn off listen on noise. Listen on noise. Exactly. Boom. No references. Listen on noise. Make require function. Make require function. 10.17.159. Listen on noise module. Yeah, I just programmed this for me. Computer made this little function. I'm trying to automate even making little functions. Listen on noise module. If it's loaded, yeah. if the module is loaded, we tell it to switch off. Stop listening is the command. Let's make a new function. Turn off listen on noise and actual recognizer. Mode on. Listen, second mode. And we should also listen right now. Yes. And last mode. Mode listen all the time. We disable this one. If it's there. Okay. Nice music today. Happy to have found this playlist. And it should be royalty free. Which field in now? 1 and 2. Where's the assistant? Here. These should be strings. Didn't I just define that? I forgot to define it. Function defined. This might work now. Ah, listen on noise.
Listen on noise.
Mm-hmm. You're still listening, right?
Are you still listening right?
Now you can't hear me. Now you can.
No, you can.
That's cool.
That's cool.
That's cool. Now I want there's some status in here. This window should also say whether it's actually listening. Not hard. It should not be hard. Now it's switched on again. Why is that? There's a little bug somewhere. Okay. That was weird. It randomly turned on. Yeah, let's keep the window as it, this module as it is, it's okay. Voice recognition. Status. Anyway, switch. Whatever. Okay, this we can hide now. I put this on there. Hectic this music. Why not? So these are all the past things that the speech recognition picked up. And the general idea is to learn from that. It's not a very cool layout either. Full line. So electric light engine, electronic logic engine. I'm making these names up as I go. ELE is the acronym. Electronic logic engine. Identical to current input. Oh, that is probably making a nasty sound. When I rattle the table here, I don't know. Some crazy music again. Let's start over. Yeah, that's good. What's the goal?
What's the Google?
What's the goal?
What's the goal?
What is the goal?
What is the
Football goal.
football Google?
GOAL.
GOL.
Spelling is often hard with this Google speech recognition. Spelling is not their strong suit. I mean, to spell a word letter by letter. Coder is getting old. I'll tell you that much. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay. Step by step. Current input. And see, this is how short I can make my modules. This is a module that actually works. See, it compiles. And it's an input field. And it remembers its value. Okay. Let's react to voice.
It's the human in me. Never had a room more than a year at a time, leaving invisible statues behind, knowing where to buy the cheapest food and the fastest wine. No desire to be cold continental, till I can say I slept on every continent. Antarctica, you better know I'm coming for you. Too sweet. It's the gangster in me.
Please listen.
Please listen.
Cool, right?
Cool Ryan.
Don't call Ryan.
Cool Ryan.
Don't call Ryan.
Don't call Ryan.
Let's make the font bigger. That's nice. That's just what I wanted. Nice.
That's my sister this morning.
It's still listening uncontrolledly.
It's still listening uncontrolled.
Never mind.
Never mind.
Now it's off. Huh. Are you screwing with me? Okay, so next thing. We have two ways. We can have modules check every second if something new happens. Like we will have lots of analyzer modules to analyze the speech input. And they can either be triggered if some new input comes in, or they just check all the time. We can even leave it open, basically. For now. We need a function that gives us the current input. We just register this module as a service, give it an API, current input. That's how easy you make an API. And or not. Okay, now the module registers as a service, and we can call the service by name. Here's some new input.
Your song new input.
Here is some new input.
Here is some new input.
There we are. There we are. Here's some new input. Okay. Let's do the same here. Let's register this as a service. Register as ELE past inputs with an API. Get past inputs. It's just the data in the list. Choose that. This is itself a table. Yeah. Current input. Okay, this okay. We grab every second, why not? Scroll down, yeah, why not? Scroll down to the recent entries, why not? We just don't have that. That's bad. Okay, then we don't do that. Something compiled. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to rename something quickly. Okay, so now it found the past inputs, all past times where I said okay. So it's all this month. It's a new machine after all. Never mind.
Never mind.
See, I said it twice. Once earlier, and now, right now. Let's reorder here. Oh. Classic mistake. Reordered in the wrong place. Off, listen on noise. Okay. Refresh transpiler.
Refresh transpiler.
Yeah, it's a defined function. And this is pretty advanced. That Google recognizes the word transpiler in speech. I would guess it's a rare term. Transpiler. We use it all in my system. Compilers, transpilers, interpreters. It's all employed. Okay, the basic thing we want to do is find patterns in whatever someone says. So we need a list of patterns as a module, which is another table. Patterns. That actually works. Patterns. Appel has a text and a function, basically. Let's do an on-off switch based on speech input. Go give it an on-off switch. Right now, every second it thinks, does something, and I might not want to waste the CPU all the time. Is on. Is the engine on? Boom. Okay, make a new module. Main control. Main control. It registers. ELE main control. Is on. Enabled. Now we have an on-off switch. If on, if it's not on, we do nothing. Oh, it's corrupt anyway. Here. Okay. Let's disable the engine. Never mind.
Never mind.
Okay, it does nothing.
It does nothing.
Never mind.
Never mind.
Now it does something. Good. Done. Old sub-goals. Completed. Make a list of patterns. here. Okay. Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
Okay, there's a useful sentence for the AI to chew on. So this pattern should match this input, for example. Oh, okay, no. We can have patterns of different types with different placeholders, so let's call this just asterisk. Pattern type asterisk. When did I start streaming? Oh, 1 hour 30. That's cool. I really want to get this thing done. It's called ELE, Electronic Logic Engine. Okay, patterns, crucial concept. Okay, match. Okay. Pattern and type. Nope. Yes. Okay. Not used yet, but pretty useful. One viewer, is it me? Probably me. Right now I have this complexity feeling. Like I want to match patterns and inputs, and this is complex. There are 20 million ways to do it, so I have to decide where to go, how flexible I want to be, how quickly I want the first result. It's just a lot of options. Okay, let's not worry too much. Okay, first of all, we have the input patterns CRUD. This is the thing here. These are all the patterns we can match. Let's just look at the pattern itself, not worry about the type or whatever. Input patterns. CRUD. There it is. And we make a require function. Make require function. Input patterns CRUD. Okay, require. Make require function. Let's test a new function. It works. Get list. Get list. Get a list from list module. I liked this song last time, I remember. You know, the Facebook recommendations are not worth it. Oh, it's called get data. Get data. No. What? Ah, it's a different class. Okay. Okay, data is what they both support. Get data. Okay, here are the 4 patterns. And then we have some very good functions which are called flex match, which do the actual matching. There's so many versions by now. Dollar variables, arbitrary variables. You can decide which variable format you want. The dollar sign or uppercase means variable, or asterisk. The default is asterisk actually. So, and we want the iterator version, which gives us results one at a time, because there might be many, and we want this with brackets, I'm sure. Multi-pattern also exists. Yeah, it's complicated. I'm guessing this one. More patterns from input patterns. CRUD. Let's be conservative, it's a collection of strings. Might be a list, might not be a list, that's a collection. Defensive return types. Here are the patterns. Next we have the inputs. We want to iterate about 2 things at once, about the patterns, or basically 3 things at once, about the patterns, iterate about the inputs, and iterate about the possibilities of matching a pattern to an input, because this can match multiple words at once. There might be multiple matches. So okay, whatever. Inputs. Jack Ryan. Okay, these are all the inputs, that's correct. And we have some patterns. Basically, it's called an all-on-all. I like this song, I want it again. It's kind of meditative, I'll repeat this. All on all. Okay. It is basically an iterator, isn't it? I mean, iterator of pairs. Yeah. API mismatch. Oh man. Terrible iterator. Oh. Producer, how about producer? Fair enough. This is actually a match. Null when end. And return nulls. It's not very good, I think. I don't know. Producer next. Yeah, it's okay. Java magic. Producer to iterator. null is null. It's just iterator from a function, isn't it? Function. Goodie. Producer to iterator. And make it a list. This should be all the patterns. Yeah, 4000. All the patterns combined with all the inputs. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad, sir.
Not bad, sir.
Let's play another game.
Let's play another game.
Oh, in fact, we don't need all the inputs. We can just yeah, run all the patterns on the current input. I think that's a little easier. For now, ELE current input. So for each pattern, see, print unless null. Ages ago I must have made this function. I just assume it's there because it makes sense, and it is there. It was made on... okay, this year actually. Okay, we found one match. Another game. Yeah, sure, there we are. Okay. Okay. We did a pattern match. Wow, very good. Put it in a module. Automation, 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 automation. Match patterns. Yeah, boom. To current inputs. It's one of these do every second things. Well, maybe it's not. It should respond to new input, I'm sure. Not do the same thing every second, that's stupid. Okay, here. Watch field, input. We use a cool feature called the VM bus. Throughout the whole Java VM, you can send messages around. Basically a very fast broadcast. ELE new input. Input. That was it. That's all. ELE new input. Okay. And in the other module, we listen to this event. Bus on message, ELE new input. Process. Matches to map. Uh-huh. Oh. What? No. Huh? Oh, Java, what are you doing? Type inference fail. I am not getting this, in fact. This type parameter is not inferred. Why not? Whatever. Do it the hard way. Tell the compiler. Good. Okay, next module, does it work? Match patterns to input. Aha, check it out. Just some boring conversions. Okay. Let's play Twister.
Let's play Twister.
See here? Let's play the pattern. And there's the argument. That's a good step. So next, we should bring the rules back in. Apply rules to current input. Now we know we match the pattern, and we can execute some good rules. It's all based on rules, may I? Let's play $x. $x is a game. This is one simple rule that works sometimes. Let's play Scrabble.
Let's play Scrabble.
Oh, maybe I streamed enough for now. Yeah. Let's continue some other time. I had a visitor, that's nice. And we made some progress.